When I mention Northeast Indian, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
They are cute.
Fair color.
Eyes.
They are cool, masti.
They are sweet. Bamboo. They have lovely skin.
They are cute.
They're sexy.
And they're very soft-hearted too.
They look nice.
Color.
Trustworthy people.
Really like their hair, their skin.
They're cool. They have a way of carrying themselves. Yeah.
Best sense of dressing. Yeah.
They are good by nature.
What is the first thing I think about the Northeast? Where I think of Northeast. So because I visit Northeast, like I just think of the beauty of the natural place. They have a lot of waterfalls, the mountain, and their people, like honestly, their people look so civilized. Their people,
they're very peaceful.
Yeah, they look peaceful, civilized.
The Northeastern people are the most liberal people in the country who don't stick too much to the conservative, strict Indian culture. Women in the Northeastern region enjoy a higher status compared to the counterparts in the rest of the country. Northeastern women are not restricted to the four walls of their house. Their voice are important in the decision making of the family. Northeast region is also declared dowry-free region.
Fact be told, there is a community in Northeast called the Khasi tribe in Meghalaya where the youngest daughter of the family inherits the entire family's property. There is also a women market in Manipur called the Ima Bazaar, which is the biggest women market in the world.
My dear mainland brothers and sisters, try making friends with Northeast people and they will forever leave a print of memory in your heart.
They're very friendly and they're very down to earth.
They are so cool and their ornaments are ultimate.
I think their nature and their clothing sense.
Northeast people are humble, honest and hardworking. When I say this, I'm not exaggerating or bragging about my reason, but it is who we are and what our society is. In addition to this, they also have high survival skills. Northeast people can adapt to both the rural and urban environment.
Women have more power there. More society is more liberal towards women.
The Northeastern people are the most liberal people in the country who don't stick too much to the conservative, strict Indian culture.
वो लोग बहुत मॉडर्न होते हैं. वो लोग का कपड़ा जो वो लोग पहनते हैं वो मैंने अच्छे को नहीं देखा है. वो लोग बहुत फैशनेबल होते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. और वो लोग का लड़की लोगों का हेयर तो मतलब बोलने का नहीं है कुछ.
एंड वो उनका ड्रेसिंग सेंस बहुत अच्छा होता है.